Hi, Michelle here from StrawBearie, and today I'm going to share with you how I pack for a trip, for a short trip like a weekend or a week, a trip that's short enough that you're not going to be washing clothes while you're gone. First thing I do is I count up how many days I'm going to be gone, and then I start with usually the bottoms. And I'm a shorts girl. I wear shorts all the time. So I've got shorts here. So I'm going to lay out the different pairs of shorts that I found on my bed. Okay. So this is 6 days for my 6-day trip. Okay. One of the reasons why I'm doing this video is I was traveling with my sister one time and we were talking about what clothes we brought. And she said, oh, I don't make outfits. I just throw everything in a bag. And then she didn't have like a top to wear with the fancy pants that she had brought. I learned this method when I was a kid, and my mom would have me pack for camp. And she would say, make sure you have an outfit for each day of camp. So this shirt is going to go with those shorts. This shirt will go with those shorts. This goes with that one. That can go there. No. This shirt. Oh, this shirt's gonna go there. This shirt's gonna go there. This shirt's gonna go there. Now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 outfits. Now, these are all shorts outfits, and I know that I need to probably have long pants. So let me go get a pair of jeans. Jeans are great because they're very neutral. So I've got a pair of jeans here. And I grabbed a shirt for them that's a little fancier in case we're going out someplace. But if I just need jeans because it's cold, or maybe we're going on a hike where there's bugs or something, I could switch out one of my t-shirts to go with my jeans. Next, I do need something for a fancy night, just in case. I don't know if I'm going to have a fancy night or not, but here is a sundress, so that will be my fancy night. And here's my swim stuff. So I probably take more than I need to for swim stuff, and I always take swim stuff. Always, always, always. Because that one time that you forget to take swim stuff is that one time that you're going to wish that you had. So a lot of times I'll take swim stuff and not use it. But I always have a swimsuit and then a long sleeve swim shirt, so that I don't get sunburned during the day. But if like we're doing a hotel pool at night, then I don't want to wear the long sleeve shirt. So I usually have 2 swimsuits. I need to go get my pajamas and underwear. Here's some pajamas. Okay, so now I've got my underwear. I could go through and just go put a pair with each one, or just count it out because I can count to 6 and know that I have enough. I always like to put in 1 pair more than I'm going to be gone. You know, because you get hot and you get sweaty and you might need more. This would be the time that if you are someone who works out all the time, you would probably want to have your workout clothes. Next, I have my bras, and I want to make sure that if I have an outfit like this one that needs a special bra, that I have that bra that goes with it. I am going to throw in a light jacket. I love having a white denim jacket because it can be dressy enough to wear if you're a little fancy. It's casual enough if you're doing something casual. And that should be all of my clothes. Now at this point, I used to go through and pick jewelry for every outfit. And I'd be like, okay, these turquoise earrings are gonna go with this outfit that has the turquoise shorts, and these earrings will go with that. Nowadays, really, I might go, okay, I usually wear these earrings with that outfit, and let's pack a pair of gold earrings, let's pack a pair of silver earrings, let's pack a pair of earrings with lots of colors in it, let's pack a pair of leather earrings. All right, we're good, done. I like to actually pack my outfits together, so I will take my shorts and my shirt, and I will roll them up together and stick them in my suitcase. Now, sometimes I have done packing cubes, and I might put my outfits together in cubes. If I am going for a longer time, I will probably still do this, but I will look at my pants and I might go, okay, these are neutral pants. These are neutral pants. I can wear 5 or 6 different shirts with them, so I can rotate and switch things around. And then I might put pants in one cube and shirts in another cube. But for the short trips, just doing it by outfits works really great. And then I can just grab a roll and go when I get there. And knowing that that outfit has all the pieces and parts that I need for it to have. So like the jeans here, I'm not really too concerned about rolling them necessarily because they could go with anything. My dress, my swim stuff, I'll just stuff in here. My bras and my undies, I'll get to go in there. My pajamas usually go close to the top because it's going to be one of the first things I take out when I get there. I'm going to change into my pajamas and go to sleep. Throw on my jacket. And, oh, I forgot shoes. I'm going to pack my very neutral sandals. I'm going to pack my hiking sandals, which are very dirty right now, so I need to not stick them in my suitcase. And I'm going to grab maybe a pair of sandals that's a little dressier to wear on my dressy nights. And that is how I pack a suitcase for a short trip to make sure that I have all the outfits going together and what I need during that time. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe. Until next time, toodles!